It's kind of wild to me that I have been getting Cocoa Daisy kits for a long time, and I have never thought to do this with the December kit. Um, but here we are. I'm Rachel, the life facilitator, and I have decided I've had this, I have like 2 boxfuls of holiday cards that I get from friends and family every year, and I have not had a great way of storing them other than in a box, which works. It totally works, but I wanted to be able to like flip through them and see them. And here we are. I made a holiday card notebook with discs and with the Snow Day Society Cocoa Daisy kit, and with the cutest little peekaboo window. This idea came from Kim, Cairo Designs. This was super easy to make. All you need to make this is paper from the kit, and I actually only used paper on the front. This is actually a sticker book backing, and I worked on this at home, and I didn't have chipboard or any I didn't have a lot to work with, so I was like, well, I'll just rip up a sticker book, and I did. So you need paper, and you need a thicker paper, like either cardstock or like the packaging actually that the Cocoa Daisy kit items, like the planner kit and the creative kit, like the backer paper would be great for this. Actually, I really should have used that, and I didn't think of it until after I was done. But what I used was like chipboard, old chip. The inside looks kind of trash, but that's fine. And yeah, punched it with my disc punch. You could also do rings. You could do wire O binding, whatever binding you want. And that's it. And then just decorated the front. And then I have my friend Steph in here, and it is now ready for more holiday cards. And I think I'm going to go ahead and punch maybe like last year's cards just to fill it up. But oh my gosh, this was so fun to make, and also a really useful way to store and collect holiday cards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.